Oh, I didn't see you there. Star-Lord is the jet-setting leader of the Guardians of the Galaxy. As a half-human and half-nearly invulnerable race of ancient alien, he can rocket and rock out through the galaxy, often while wearing his signature leather jacket and space mask. But how could Star-Lord actually survive in space? Let's explore Marvel science.
Let's think of our own solar system for a second. Launching off even in our own solar system where all the planets formed together and trying to go someplace else would be disastrous for you to step off a shuttle and take off a mask. Venus would kill you, Mars would kill you. Actually, everywhere in the solar system will kill you. It's not super safe to be space traveling.
I would call Star-Lord's suit sort of the convertible of spacesuits. The interesting thing about space is you have to protect every square inch of your body. Even if you have a little hole, it can be deadly. And I can tell what Star-Lord's getting at, right? He's got this mask, and everybody thinks that there's no air in space. Real dangers in space lie in the nitrogen that's resident in your bloodstream. When you go into vacuum, that gas wants to expand, and it forms bubbles. When they become prevalent in your bloodstream, will keep the blood from flowing through the little capillaries. They'll get the bends in space, and it's not good, it's not healthy.
So Star-Lord's mask would have to be able to maintain life support functions for him, right? So it has to be able to remove carbon dioxide that we exhale. It has to be able to provide oxygen in a nitrogen atmosphere that we breathe in. It has to maintain a certain level of humidity. More importantly, though, the exposed parts of the skin in a vacuum environment would actually be very harmful. Your fingers and your toes and those other digits that are important to you would be lost.
In addition to protecting the body, you have to have gloves to wear, okay? And those gloves, they have to form a function because you need your hands, so the gloves have to be tight-fitting, they have to have grips on them. And Star-Lord's got the right idea, but the leather jacket wouldn't cut it, and I don't even see any protection on his hands and his feet, or any radiation protection for his body.
If you were to go out into the vacuum of space, bad things would happen to your body. Your insides become your outsides at that point, right? So with our current spacesuits and whatnot, obviously we have to be much more protected based on our physiology, but the suits that we have here for riding inside the capsule, they provide a lower level of protection because the capsule provides a lot of that environment protection for you. So someone like Star-Lord, he's got it going on. He's got the right suit. He's got the capability. Doesn't need to have all the trappings that we need as humans to go to space.
Star-Lord is adorable in what he's capable of doing in this, but at this point, we are very far from being able to design a suit or any kind of structure for you that would be light and easy for you to wear. And definitely you shouldn't be taking that off when you arrive on another planet. We are right now at the American Museum of Natural History. We've got the Hall of the Universe. If you want to know any more about the universe, come to the American Museum of Natural History to learn about the universe.